In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Notepad file to a PDF file with no external software. So if you've written something in Notepad and you want to export or convert this into a PDF, then this video will help. So right here we have a to-do list. Now what you want to do is go to File in the top left-hand corner. Then instead of clicking on Save, you want to click on Print, and that will open up your printer settings. Now you may have a printer connected, but you need to change it to Microsoft Print to PDF. And once you've done that, you can choose the orientation, which for me is going to be portrait. We can then click on Print, and it will then open up the File Explorer, where what we can do is we can go ahead and save it. So I'm going to save it as to do, and you can see here it's saving as a PDF format. So let's click Save. Once it's saved, it then should be in that file location. So here is mine. Here is the to-do list, which we can double click and open. And you can see it is now in a .pdf format, and that is how I would do it.